Welcome to this online session of Building Materials and Construction 5. Today we'll be seeing about Unit 4 named Advanced Construction Techniques and Materials. So in this session we'll be seeing about corrugated galvanized iron sheets or CGI sheets. In that we'll be seeing about its description, types, its advantages and uses. So first we will start with a description of corrugated galvanized sheets or CGI. So CGI is a building material composed of sheets of hot dipped galvanized mild steel cold rolled to produce a linear corrugated pattern in them. These corrugations increase the bending strength of the sheet in the direction perpendicular to the corrugations but not parallel to them. Normally, each sheet is manufactured longer in its strong directions. So, CGI sheets are made of thin metal sheets stiffened by corrugations. The corrugations, such as waves or folds, increase the strength and stiffness of the sheeting material considerably. Without these waves, the sheets have limited load-bearing capacity and are highly deformable. The sheets are made of mild steel which is then galvanized to increase the resistance against corrosion and increase the durability or service life. So the quality and performance of a CGI sheet is determined by three main criteria. For stability and resistance to loads, first its dimensions, especially its thickness and the type of corrugation. For durability, service life and appearance, second, the type of galvanizing or coating used. For durability and service life, third, the thickness of the galvanization coating on the sheet surface. So next is we will see what is galvanization. Galvanization is the process of applying a protective zinc coating to steel or iron in order to prevent it from rusting. The term is derived from the name of Italian scientist Luigi Galvani. Galvanized iron sheets are steel sheets which are basically coated with zinc and include a range of hot-tipped galvanized and electro-galvanized steel sheets. Zinc weathers at a very slow rate, so the coating generally has a long life. Zinc has a great electronegativity than iron and hence provide cathodic or sacrificial protection to the steel. This results in zinc corroding in preference to the steel if the coating is chipped or damaged to expose the base material. Besides acting as a galvanic protector, the other functions of the zinc layer are to retain the steel intact with its full initial strength, to provide the surface a more pleasing appearance, to increase the life of any suitable organic finishing system applied over it, to protect the steel from corrosion attack in most atmospheres, acting as a continuous and lasting shield between steel and the atmosphere. So next we will see its fixing and dimensions. The important measurements that define a CGI sheet are the dimension of the sheet length and the width after corrugation, the thickness, the corrugations. Depending on the region, the dimensions are indicated in metric or imperial system. Widths mostly commonly used in imperial system are 30 inches, 36 inches and 42 inches, and the length ranges from 6 feet up to 20 feet and in imperial from 1.6 meter to 5 meter in the metric system. So thickness is commonly expressed in gauge from 32 gauge to 24 gauge, which is like 0.34 mm to 0.701 mm. The lower the gauge, the thicker the CGI sheet. Gauge size standards were developed based on the weight per surface of the sheet of a given material, which is like steel, galvanized steel, aluminium, and therefore the equivalent thickness in mm or inches differ for each material. So next we will see the applications of GI sheets. GI sheets are used extensively in various applications. Some of the common uses are agriculture, which is like grain silos, sprayers, gamella pans and feeding troughs, and in automobile sector is used in car, bus and truck bodies, undercarriage work, air and oil filters, fuel and oil tanks, exhaust pipe. In construction it is used in roofing, sidewalls, partitions, panels, valley gutters, louvers, false ceilings, partition walls and decks, rolling shutters, highway bumpers, slotted angles, and painted coated products. In household things, it is used in trucks, ice boxes, tubs, buckets, storage bins, water tanks, washing machines, household machines, pipes, pipe fittings, and bathroom doors. In electrical appliances, it is used in air conditioners, refrigerators, freezers, electrical panels, decorative lamps. And for furnitures and fixtures, it is used in decks, lockers, almirah, racks, lightweight chairs, and other general uses including ducting, drums, barrels, containers, thermal cladding, railway coaches, signboards, hoardings, and road signs. So next we will see the advantages with the use of GI sheets. The use of GI sheets gives the following advantages like low cost. Galvanizing is lower in first cost than many other commonly specified protective coatings for steel. The next is less maintenance cost, which is like GI sheets are virtually maintenance free and they last longer. The third is long life. The life expectancy of GI sheets is quite high in rural, urban and coastal environments. So the fourth one is reliability. So galvanizing is usually carried out as per standards and minimum coating thickness are applied. Coating life and performance are reliable and predictable. So the next one is the toughest coating. A galvanized coating has a unique metallurgical structure which gives outstanding resistance to mechanical damage in transport, erection and service. So the next one is automatic protection for damaged areas. Galvanized coatings corrode preferentially to steel, providing cathodic or sacrificial protection to small areas of steel exposed to damage. Unlike organic coatings, small damaged areas need no touch-up. So the next is like complete protection. Every part of the galvanized iron sheet is protected. So the next is ease of inspection. Galvanized coating is assessed readily by eye and simple non-destructive thickness testing methods can be used. Galvanizing process is not dependent on the weather condition. The surface of GI sheet is aesthetically pleasing. So the galvanized iron sheets are produced as plain coils or sheets and corrugated sheets. Corrugated sheets are also known as corrugated galvanized iron sheets and these are value-added steel products which are tough, sturdy, lightweight, bright, corrosion resistant and they are easy to transport. They are usually produced in the thickness ranges of 0.15 mm to 2 mm and the width range of 800 mm to 1560 mm. The weight of the zinc coating varies from 100 grams square meter to 750 grams square meter. The weight of the zinc coating varies with the thickness of the steel sheet and the application of the GI sheet. So next we will see about pre-coated metal sheets. So profile sheets available in an extensive range of models that are used as an excellent material for wide variety of architectural styles. These sheets are dimensioned for exact specifications and are important building materials for roof and wall. Even more malleable, pliable, durable, ductile, foldable and flexible, these sheets now make it possible to transform the designs and structural design of the building structures. These sheets are easily installed and are very economical. With their remarkable features, these are used in wide applications like detached houses, recreational dwellings, terraced houses, residential multi-story buildings and agricultural construction. So next we will see about color-coated profile sheets. So color-coated profile sheets are the profile sheets with the color coating over the metal surface of the sheets. These profile sheets are manufactured by cold rolling technique and are hot dipped galvanized by zinc. Thickness of the colors coated on the surface of these sheets depends on the specific requirements. So various colors like dark gray, dark red, bright red, brown, southern green, furnace, copper metallic white is available. So its features are like they are light in weight and these profile sheets use aluminum or zinc as the base material. Hence the weight of these profile sheets are light in weight and thus exert minimum pressure on roofs or floors. So the next is heat insulation. So these sheets are coated with colors which have better insulation properties. So the next is water resistant. The coating on these sheets is of standard thickness that doesn't allow water to seep through these. So the next is weatherproof. In extreme weather conditions like windy, rainy weather, these lie sturdy on their position without getting damaged. So the next is extreme loading capacity. All the sheets are good in tensile strength that helps to bear heavy loads without getting damaged. So the next is attractive appearance. It is available in beautiful colors and designs and thus are very attractive in appearance. So next is green and environmental. Color and other materials used in these sheets are eco-friendly and they do not have harmful effects on the environment. So the next is economical. These sheets are very economical and thus can save lots of extra cost like insulation cost and maintenance cost. So the last is its applications. Storage buildings or warehouses, exhibition halls, gymnasiums, glass houses, household roofing, commercial buildings, industrial buildings and shopping malls. So the next type is pre-coated profile sheets. So these are produced by a pre-painted and pre-finished process instead of putting color coating after complete sheet formation. The significant advantage of the pre-coating is its ability to offer a homogeneous coating with very reproducible thickness, color and finish that helps to achieve better life and aesthetics. So the process includes, first is the cleaning of sheet. The whole sheets are first cleaned. So the second is chemical coating. So through chemical process coating is done. Coating is done both on the top and the back side. So the next is dry. The whole sheets are dried by heating. And the fourth one is guard film. So guard film is coated to protect the surface of the sheets. So and its features are they are lightweight. So through whole processing to keep the low density of the sheets combined with excellent strength is given the utmost importance. So thus these sheets can be easily installed or dismantled without any difficulty. So the second one is fine finish. These sheets are uniform quality and the colors are coated uniformly, coated coloring. So the colors are chosen from the latest color coating line. So next is good heat insulation. So the color coating on the sheets have strong insulating properties and thus these sheets give the excellent protection against heat. So the next is water resistant. With water resistant properties, water cannot stand on these sheets. So the next is weatherproof. Without getting damaged, these sheets can bear extreme weather conditions. So the next is high strength. Better tensile strength make these sheets to bear heavy loads and attractive appearance. The sheets are available in an attractive range of colors that makes these sheets very appealing in look. Next, they are eco-friendly. These sheets are manufactured in compliance with the environmental safety. So the next one is economical. Since they require no added coating and they have high durability compared to the other range of cladding sheets, lots of savings can be achieved. So its advantages are it is long life, which is like manufactured in a high quality galvanum steel, galvanized steel and aluminum with optical high performance organic coatings for long life even in coastal areas. So the next is weatherproof. So in extreme weather conditions like windy, rainy weather, these sheets are not damaged and give excellent support. So the next one is high strength. These profiles have excellent spanning ability and outstanding recovery after excessive load. So the next is fireproof. So manufactured only from those materials which follow ANSFIRE standards. So the next is acoustics. So its significant construction provides excellent acoustic features and thus it is used as a cladding for large halls. So the last one is faster and easier erection. So this is a requirement of few fasteners that help for the faster erection time. So that's all about the corrugated galvanized sheets. So in this session, we saw about corrugated galvanized sheets. We saw its description, its fixing and standard dimensions. We also saw its advantages and applications. Then we saw about pre-coated metal sheets and pre-coated profile sheets. Thank you.